What's up, everybody? It's JR here, the driveway engineer, and look at that, a black squirrel. My wife loves black squirrels. She says that there's none over here. As you can see, black squirrel aside, apparently he's not very afraid. It's still winter time here. I was intending to be dropping my engine in today, but it's snowy and cold and I don't really feel like laying around, rolling around in the snow. So what I'm going to work on instead is I'm going to go to AutoZone and get the tool to remove the power steering pump pulley. So I'm going to go get the tool to remove the power steering pump pulley and clean that bracket up and get it ready for powder coat along with my water pump that you guys saw me get. So let's go take a ride and see what that all looks like. Looks like my mic was on the inside of my shirt, so you probably couldn't hear me anyway. But let's go for a little ride down to AutoZone. Now, I'm not exactly a super fan of AutoZone, but you're about to see why I go there so frequently, because it is literally like 37 feet from my house. So going anywhere else is just kind of silly. So my local car wash has really hot water and pretty decent degreaser. So I'm going to pull the pump, pull the pulley, pull the pump, clean the bracket up, clean the water pump up, and decide if I want to powder coat them or paint them. I have red powder. I'm not exactly crazy about it, but it's the only color I have. I have a very little bit of black. I could paint them, but then they'll show every fingerprint, and it's highly likely you'll just be able to wipe the paint off of them altogether. So I don't know, we'll see. We're here at the AutoZone. That took like 37 seconds. And it'll probably take about 37 seconds to go in there and get the tool, since nobody's here. So, be right back. You know, you watch the truck. Thanks. You guard everything, okay? Okay. You guys watch Peanut. Alright, so that took needlessly long because I got the rookie in there. But I got what I need, so let's head on home and zip this bastard off here and get that water pump off and get ready to go to the car wash, because I want to go get some pizza lunch as well. So I don't want to spend a lot of time on this today. Long edits to make because that guy took way too long, but it's his first day and he was polite and he wasn't a jerk, so I tried not to give him a hard time. Hopefully he doesn't feel like I did. As I get down to the final countdown, as it were, I don't really have a lot of things left to do until I get the engine in the truck. Everything I'm doing now is prep for putting the engine in the truck. Sometime this week I'll bring the truck down and ahead and clean the frame and paint it and get it ready for the engine to go in. Do the brackets up. Probably paint the brackets and the transmission cross member, even though the transmission isn't going in for quite some time. I think I'll go ahead and throw the flex plate on it and get all that ready so that it can go into the truck, and I can rebuild the engine when I have the time and the money, or the transmission rather, when I have the time and the money. Alright, so let me set you guys up here so you can see the tailgate, because that's where I'm going to do this at. I drink and drive. That's the way that goes. There's grooves in there. You see how this works. These little, that grabs there and that catches there, and impact her off. And you pull your power steering plug. I haven't charged that in like 3 months. Obviously, it's time now. Alright, so this is everything that's heading off to the degreaser, aka car wash. I'm going to pull this as well. Yeah, I'm going to take all this stuff off to the car wash and degrease it and drop that back off to the slowest guy in the world at AutoZone, and we will pick this back up probably tomorrow. So we'll be back.